You're in a chair all day and your body feels broken. 5 minutes is all you need to reset your entire body. Grab a light resistance band and start by doing slow and controlled shoulder dislocations, bringing that band all the way up overhead, getting a good stretch, and if you can and want to, you can bring it all the way back down. If your arms are feeling okay enough, this is really gonna help open up your posture, get your shoulders in a nice mobile position that are usually not happening when you're restricted, typing, and just in this position all day. Next, what you're going to do is bring your hands up overhead and then lean against the back of your chair as much as you can, opening up your chest and upper back, and then do a couple of quick pulses going back. Again, you can go slow and controlled when you do this, but you're almost mimicking what a chiropractor might do, and sometimes you might even get a pop doing this. You can also just hang back here for a few seconds as well. Next, you're gonna grab the band, grab it with the same distance that you had for the shoulder dislocations, and then practice pulling that band apart and at the same time bringing it closer to your chest while pinching your shoulder blades. Doing this movement will bring some blood flow to your upper trapezius and posterior deltoid and create some good motion through those joints to help relieve upper neck and back pain that you might have from sitting all day. The next exercise is a really simple one, but it's going to target your lower back. You're going to start with your feet about hip width apart, maybe a little bit further than that. And then try to imagine having a long and tall body throughout. Hands are going to be at your side, and then you're going to do a hinge or simply bending at your hips while trying to keep your back nice and straight the entire time. Once you start to notice your back start to cave in and fall forward, that's when you want to end the repetition and start to come back up. So it's really going to depend on how good your mobility is, but remember, the entire time we're trying to fire all the muscles in our spine to keep us nice and straight while going down. If you have a light weight, you can hold something in front of you to make this a little more challenging. Last one is going to have you taking one of your hands, placing it directly on the ground, and then reaching all the way up to the sky. Of course, repeating on the other side as we are opening up our lower back and thoracic spine to different planes of motion and a little bit of rotation. You can hold this position for a little bit of time if you'd like, or just keep doing repetitions like I was just showing you. When doing this routine, set a timer for 5 minutes and then simply do each of those exercises for 1 minute straight at a slow and continuous pace before going on to the next one, the next one, and the next one. After just a little bit of this, your brain will be feeling so much better, your body will be feeling vital again, and you'll be ready to get back to your day.